How to use Linux on a VMware. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to use your Linux on VMware. So to get started, first download the latest version of VMware Workstation or VMware Player and then install it on your system. After that, download a Linux distribution ISO file such as Ubuntu or Fedora from the official website. Open VMware and create a new virtual machine, selecting the option to install from an ISO file. Once the setup is complete, you'll have a fully functional Linux operating system running within VMware, all within your current system environment. Using Linux on VMware is incredibly useful for testing out new software or developing in a Linux environment without needing to set up a dedicated machine. It allows you to create multiple virtual machines, each with different operating systems, giving a powerful tool for developers or anyone who needs cross platform compatibility. Additionally, VMware offers features like snapshots and easy resource management to make your Linux experience seamless and efficient so you can work or experiment without worry. And that's how you use Linux on VMware.